Hello, Namaskar and a very warm welcome to all of you. My dear students, from this video lecture onwards, we are going to start with ICT unit on our YouTube channel. आने वाले 15 से 16 छोटे छोटे लेक्चर्स में हम पूरी की पूरी ICT यूनिट को कंप्लीट कर देंगे. I hope you all are going to have fun along this journey. This is the very first foundational lecture, so we are going to discuss about the syllabus and we are also going to discuss about the most important topics which are prominently asked from this unit. The ICT unit in UGC NET paper 1 does not deals with any kind of programming language or coding. It is a very basic kind of media literacy or ICT literacy. Information and communication technologies have been embedded in every sphere of our life. Whether you are a teacher, researcher, entrepreneur, creator, in every sphere of your life you are using different information communication technologies and softwares. जब हम ICT की बात करते हैं, as basic as machine, we need to learn about the evolution of computers. Now we all are having these desktop computers, laptops, but there has been a progression, so we need to understand the prominence of vacuum tubes, microprocessors and how it got evolved in the machine in which we use it today. Then we need to learn about hardware, CPU and display technologies. Then when we talk about creating knowledge, it has to be stored in the computer, so you also need to learn about RAM, ROM and different types of storage units from bits, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes to terabytes. Then you also need to know about softwares. Softwares makes all these devices, computers, smartphones, tablets useful. So you must be using Excel sheets, MS PowerPoint, MS Word and other softwares as well. Then you also need to know about their classification. What is an open source software? What is a proprietary software? Moving on, we also need to know about the internet, which makes this world a global community. So with internet, you have everything in your smartphone. You need to know about different types of networks, WAN, MAN, LAN, PAN. Then you also need to know about certain acronyms and their concepts like www, then http, URL. बहुत बारी आप देखेंगे कि एग्जाम्स में इससे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. देन ईमेल बिकम्स अनदर वेरी प्रोमिनेंट टॉपिक जहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछे ही जाते हैं. विथ ऑल द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इंटरनेट also comes different kinds of cyber security threats, so you also need to know about different kinds of malwares, how they attack your data, different terminologies like spyware, ransomware. पिछले कई सालों में आपने देखा होगा कि इससे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. देन डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ साइबर अटैक्स लाइक फिशिंग, फायरवेल एंड सिक्योरिटी टूल्स लाइक कैप्चा, लॉग ऑफ etc. At the end, you also need to learn about different kinds of emerging technologies like cloud computing, quantum computing, then this entire buzz around artificial intelligence, generative AI, different types of large language models like ChatGPT, Sora, Gemini, and also other technologies such as machine learning, deep learning. So मेरे प्यारे साथियों, यही कुछ topics हैं along with very important topic which is number system. वो आपको और आना चाहिए. और अगर आप ये सारे टॉपिक्स अच्छे से कर लेते हैं तो आप 5 में से 5 सवाल हल कर सकते हैं ICT के. सो चलिए मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में विच विल बी अबाउट एवोल्यूशन ऑफ different types of computers. And if you found this lecture helpful, kindly like this video and take care.